You're in Tornado Alley. It's in the USA. Whatever they call it. They can just go to. Oh my goodness, I almost died. A Chompnado. It chomps everything. And even people. Well, I'm just gonna stay far. Yeah. That lightning almost struck me. I'm making a videos. I'm making a videos. I better fight the wind by crawling like a baby. I know. Oh, potato. What? That's a shark. Well, I just gotta guess. Well, I just gotta take cover of the sharks. Yes, I did. Go check out some, what do you eat, the orange cats? He makes Roblox videos as well, and he does it with me also. Some 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Evasion! The storm is ending. It's not safe quite yet. Hold out for a little longer. We did it! No more lightning! The corners of a map are no longer safe. Lightning hits the corners especially hard. Be wary! The storm has this passed. Potato. Potato. 7 out of 10. Seven out of 10. 7 out of 10. Tempest. Tempest, the YouTuber. A lava king has been summoned by Karina 00632. Well, we better watch out from the ice. Imagine if this was in real life. I'd rather die. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Efficient! It fell down to the ground. UFOs can abduct players when even in buildings. Use shelter at Roblox State Park. Roblox State Park dealership. I can avoid. Temple of potatoes. Temple of potatoes. Warning! Flood! 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 Act quick! I need the shelter key. And locate the underground shelter. potato. Find the flowering prepare for the incoming storm. Ooh, I found a bat. I found a bat to fight the tornado. But storm weather is also approaching. Oh my godness. Tornadoes are being reported in the potatoes. Alert! Storm weather is approaching. Tornado, potato. Potato, tornado. The tornado potato throws potatoes at you. Ooh. I see an underground shelter, but I don't have the shelter key. Uh-ohs. Getting too close to the tornado is... What was that scream? I almost died. That's a fire tornado. I mean, NATO. Oh my goodness! I almost got bombed. Is Poo-Poo's boy still here? Potato. So I won't go to the corners because lightning will strike that hard and break your brain. Rip headphones, users. I'm the potato. Oh my goodness, it has like a supercell range. That's the fire werewolf. Let's. I almost got too close to the end of my life. Oh, do not touch me. Do not touch me. I'm running away, runner. I'm running away, runner. Haha, you cannot get me. Ah! I'm sorry. 2, 1, evasion. The storm is ending. It's not safe quite yet. Goodbye, fire werewolf. Me too. And stop. Me. Countries. Me too. I see cups. Use around 500 gold. 1 survival. I am. Oh, flash flood. Uh-ohs. I better get to high shelter. The flash flood is occurring. Potato. Forecast. Error. Oh no. It's the end of the black surf. If this tree falls of the pressure, I'm gonna die. But with this regen coil, more like gravity coil, I'll just fly up and then not die. It's like Survive the Natural Disasters game. Potato, 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 potato. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Someone help me. Help me. Yeah. I'm Superman. I cannot die. Please don't kill me. I'm your father. Let's see what I can die. Die. Acid rain. Atomic bomb. Black hole. Whoa, 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 whoa. Potato. Lava flood. Meteor. Pollution. Tsunami. Volcano. Zombie invasion. Bah. Potato. Let's buy accessories. I want the Bloxy Cola, please. It gives you health as well. Oh, thank you. I want that. But just a potato. How do I get this out? Where is my Bloxy Cola? Potatoes. Potato. 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 Become elite. To the potato. Potato. The potato. Potatoes. 500 coins for potato. I will say potato in every video. Atomic bomb. Potato, potato, potatoes. Tornado, tornado, tornado. Tornado. I better get in. Let me in. Okay, good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Evasion. Green, red, purple. Green, red, potato. But I'm gonna do Atom Town. Wait. Performance heavy. Uh-oh. I sure have clicked toward that. Potato. Wee-hoo! We're launching into space. Ooh, it's colorful and all. I hope people won't summon 1 trillion lava. Twisty the Clown. We're gonna get 6 potato. 600 potatoes. Find loot. Okay. Where's my Bloxy Cola? And he's the most intelligent of all potato. Twisty can potato. Let me charge my potato. First, I'm gonna charge my potato and then break the potato. Is this the wrong charger? Am I using the big iPad? Never mind. Flip? I said flip? Oh yeah, I have lock screen on. Turn! Twisty. Potato. Oh no, we better run. Because there is a green sky. Potato! Ah! Ah! I'm near the potato. Hey, it's me, the potato. Twisty, come on, potato. I'm a potato. I'm a potato. Potatoes. Just hide so he cannot see me. Air. Okay, maybe another one. No, don't, or else I will kill you. Mummies! I'm gonna turn you into John Doe. I almost died. Oh, that person got flung. You enter like a firework. You go boom. I'm running away from Twisty the Clown. I'm running from the clown tornado. Walking. Immediately running. Potato! I'm 46 HP. I better run. 50 HP. But the potato. What? What is happening? I'm being dead multiple times. Potato. But enter map. What is happening? Potato. Bloxy Cola equipped. Effects. Nothing. Yeah. Potato. Help me. Potato. I'm gonna potato. I'm gonna throw you into the void. Actually in the tree. Drop. Oh no. Avaki potato. Uh-oh. Better stay away. What are you doing, Bacon? I'm trying to record a video. Get out. Bacon. We both died together and ever. What? Potato? Potato! I'm potato! I'm looking up. Rip block surf. Potato. I finally got my Bloxy Cola. Yummy. Perfect. Perfect. A free coil. Bloxy Cola. Potato. 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 Died. Did Alt F4. What? Wait, what? I need to drink my Bloxy Cola. Oh, never mind. Oh, never mind. Equipped. Equip up to potato. Potato. Tippy-top potato. Potato. Easy. Well, many times will this cold surge be out of the Black Earth? Everything is broken right now. Or frozen, I meant. Whoop, Gangnam Style. Betty Dust. Da. And potatoes. What potato? Potato! I'm gonna put the potato! Oh my goodness, I almost died. Potato! Oh my goodness, I almost died. Injuries? I did not die. On unbreakable bone. Healthy broken potato. My lungs got damaged. I mean, back got damaged. Or rather, die. Yep. Potato. What the? A cold surge of potato. The potatoes. Potato. I'm gonna potato you. Potato you. Toes you. I'm gonna toe you. Hi. I'm moving out air. Watch me. E-wave. I'm moving out air. Oh my goodness, how long is this? Thank goodness, I just sit in. How long is this? How long? Yeah, I think the potato is broken. Potato. Well, goodbye, people who just died. Potato! Potato! How long is this, dude? Potatoes? Toes? Evacuate! Potato. I think I'm gonna end the video because, or do this. Yep, I'm just gonna do this. By the way, there's a loading screen which takes super long. Not recommended. I don't care about your sign. Potato. But this is the same potato. Potatoes. Potatoes. Potato. 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 I'm here, guys. Did anyone miss me? Tornado! Tornado! Yeah, boy. Yeah, boys, about the potatoes. I'm gonna die, then end the video. Potatoes, a potato will be my friend. Rocket launcher equipped. Will you be my friend? Bomb equipped. Well, let's be friends. Delete equipped. Stop! You noob! You're a noob potato! Just kill me! I want to be a noob! This rocket launcher me! I'm gonna end the videos! I'm gonna end the video! Please! Paintball equipped. Just paintball me if you want. Paintball me. Speed coil me. Potato. Ooh, I took a lot of damage. Potatoes. Potato. Yes, I want to be on fire. I want to be on fire, please. I want to be on fires. Get me in. Get me in. Get me in. Get me in, please. Yay. I did it. Goodbye, guys. But I'm just gonna tornado you later.